Hi and welcome to Tips from the Hips, the best tips and hips on the internet, in my opinion. Many of you will have seen me make and demonstrate my router planing jig. Now these jigs are great for flattening rough sawn boards or boards with bow and twist in them. Well, if you've got yourself a CNC setup, you can do the same thing on that. You'll almost certainly need to use wedges and shims to clamp the first rough side down to the wasteboard of the machine. But once the first surface has been planed, you can use that freshly planed surface flat onto the wasteboard. To keep the clamps out of the cutter's way, I set them in a very shallow groove around the edge of the workpiece. Planing can take a long time on a light machine like mine, but all you have to do is get it started and then you can go off and do something else. The result is two flat surfaces parallel to each other, and all they need is a little sanding or going over with a hand plane to be ready to use. For woodworking tips from the hips and much more, subscribe now, and if you share this video, I'll send you some positive woodworking vibes.